Hey Terry, how's it going? It's Cameron from Colonial Honda. I see today you're in here for a installation of 4 tires already on rim here, and so with your vehicle in the shop, we just wanted to perform a complimentary health and wellness check. So I'll be taking a walk around your vehicle just to show you what we noticed having looked at your vehicle here today. Coming in here, having a look at your front brake pads, we can see them measuring in very nicely here for you at about 8 millimeters here, so that's excellent. You have great pad life left in the front. Coming to the back here as well, we can see your rear brake pads measuring in very nicely here at 8 millimeters as well, so that's excellent. You have even pad life left in the front and the back, and there's still lots of life left here. That's, like I said, new pads do start at 10 millimeters, so you have excellent pad life left here. Taking a look here as well at your tires, we can see your front ones coming in here very nicely at about 9/32, so that's great. You have excellent tread life here on your summers. Having a look here as well at your winters, we can see the tread coming in on them at 9/32 as well. So you have excellent tread life left here on your winters as well as your summers here, so that's great. And so with that here today, we just wanted to reach out to you and provide a quick update, just to let you know what we noticed having looked at your vehicle here. As you can see, the only thing we did have on our notice having looked at your vehicle is that it's in excellent shape here. With that, we just want to say thank you for letting us service your vehicle today, and have a great day.